Koble pibaro sai sinpat te hakni ke video kwamta nini page kikam kibalaj balapan mi deka office Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission State Mission New Administrative Building Kebadan Halai Sumer Shillong. Te sape jakni ke video hadu kebakut kenang bapintip kenang bapin suthu kambanya hak baydai bat kini ki post bat ya kiwe ki jungdun kam namar baya kini ki post phaban apply offline lane offline tengin ya page no ya kene ka notice te ya kene ka notice 8 mi haka pratrik Julai arajar absan on behalf of the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission Shillong application are invite from bona fide citizen of India who possess the requisite qualification to apply of post personal assistant on contractual basis in the office of the State Commission. The State Consumer Redressal Commission Kebadan Shillong kelakot application ya ki badai ki citizen jongkari India ki balabiang ya ka qualification nakam takini ki post personal assistant ka badai haka contractual basis haka office jongka State Commission. Teka kerteng jongkini ki post kadai personal assistant ka total number of post balaj iway ka jingseu lane ketulap kadai kat prahajar si spa sanpau haka si benai ka fix pe nang takas nem bapia ban apply kadai kat prahadu ulai puars nem batna kabanta ki ST lane ke sidul traj bapia ban apply kadai hadu ulai punyus nem nang taka essential qualification part degree from a recognized university with computer pide ban pendep ya ka degree haka nokono ka stream arts science bat commerce bat pide rubandon ke jingtip sepang ki komputer method of selection qualified candidate will be shortlisted for the personal interview on the basis of speed test on typing data entry the ki candidate ki ba qualify ya ka typing test lane data entry kinsa shortlist hanna kabanta ka personal interview bat pide rubanang bantaj sa pugintin haka si minute the last date bakin pedang ya ki application kandai hadu ka pratrik u agos arajar absan batam ya ka pratrik agos kamut impedang show ya ka application form te sale no kam kuloi ki bakwa ban apply ya ki post te kumna ban apply ya ki post candidate are to submit their application either in standard form submitted to the office or through online form through online link below. Ki candidate ki haban submit ya ki application form ki jongpi haka standard form bat haban lejru ban submit hapo ka office jong ka State Commission lane phila ban apply online te ya kan ka link ngan sabu hapo ka description below kenang ba pinyo ban apply te tangkum ne ha ka bedai ba kini ki post kublai sibon